What's up, guys? So the Prelude is at the paint shop now. As you can see, there's no Prelude in the garage. Right beside me is just a Mustang right now and a bunch of boxes and a shit ton of stuff I gotta do. But getting ready to bring this to the paint shop right now because he has no steering wheel to move it around, because my steering wheel from the CRV I use to drive, because it's NRG hub on there and my NRG quick release. So I just popped on there and drove it over there. So I was waiting on the steering wheel to come in. So I am excited for this. So first, let me show you guys. I'm gonna get all the part numbers for it, put it down in the comment section, in the description below. So if you're looking for basically a NRG or any type of steering wheel setup for your hold on, I got a call coming on. Let me get that. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. For your 92 to 96 Prelude, and it fits some others too. They have a guide in here, but I'm just gonna go and stick with that. You're gonna want to go with the NRG, and it's always gonna be SRK 200, and then the color, the CF, stands for carbon fiber. I want the carbon fiber one. It's a little bit more expensive, but I like the carbon fiber look. I like that clean look, but I also do like the colors and the other stuff too. So they do have those, and I think they're a little bit cheaper too, which is nice. But I wanted to keep it carbon fiber look. I got some other surprises coming for the Prelude, so I'm excited. So we're gonna do an unboxing of that, and then I'll show you the steering wheel I got. So basically, right on top, you open up the box. That's basically it, and you got NRG's warranty. You know, big surprise, nothing you guys really need. Cool though that, you know, it comes with it and tells you everything. Then here's the important thing. If you guys need this, let me know, because I got this list, and this tells you the short hub adapter list. And this comes in every NRG stuff, but a lot of times you guys don't buy it, you don't have it, you don't know, you know? So it's cool to have this list to help people out. I have a few of them actually. Then you got an NRG product guide, just showing you everything, you know, what they got, what's available, different steering wheels and stuff like that. So that's definitely cool. And then you got an awesome sticker. I love the sticker. So you got this NRG Innovations, and it's just really nice little sticker, which I'm disappointed with some of these other bigger brands. I didn't even get a sticker or anything. So then you pop it open, just like that. And I'm kind of pressed for time, so this will be kind of a fast video. Sorry, guys. And then basically, you have that. And a few ring kits, like if you need spacers adapter, depending, that's what they have them for. Comes with the bolts and everything you really need. It's not too, you know, invasive. It'll tell you, you know, you can find tons of videos on it. I might do a video. But basically, there you go. Quick release right there. So you just pull on it like that on the side, and you get this little pin out too. You get this pin out so you can just do it. I don't ever keep these pins. Some people do. It's weird. I don't know why. It always ends up causing locking issues and issues. I keep the pin out. That's usually just designed, from what I was told, to keep everything from slipping and, you know, being sturdy when you need to and put it back in place. But some people do keep it in. And if there is a safety function I'm missing it, guys, let me know, because I don't know about it. And all the people I've ever talked throughout the years always kept it out. And the people that kept it in, it always ended up getting jammed. It always ended up causing problems. So I always had people end up telling me just take it out, because it always got stuck when it would try to slide back in. It's, I think, supposed to be designed to stop that from, you know, emergency happening. See what I mean? Like falling off, like that happening when you're driving, kind of thing. But it's always caused more issues for me. See? Now it's not allowing it to pop it back in. So I've always took it off. So whatever you want to do. You know, safety, you should probably say keep it on. So here's what I was waiting for a long time. Momo Spoon steering wheel. This is a precious piece to me. This was definitely a long wait. It was hard to pull the trigger on it, but I was like, you know what, screw it. I want the Prelude to be really nice. I want it to work really nice. Everything to be smooth. And I'm probably gonna keep that tape right there. That tape's probably more expensive than any of the steering wheels I bought in the past. No, but let me open this up. This is the horn button. All right. see this beautiful, beautiful spoon horn. I think it's gonna say Spoon Momo if I remember right. It's been years and I actually seen one of these in person. Ooh, almost dropped it. Nah, that would not have been good. Would not have been happy with myself. Alright, this thing is tucked in there. Look at that, beautiful. SpoonSports. See that? Let's see if I can get it to focus. And then on the back, just so you know, in case you guys are ever getting, you know, that someone trying to rip you off, you got Momo. See it right there in the back, and then the clip to push down, putting it in. So it's a lot more invasive than just popping the other ones in like NRG. Now, let's unveil this steering wheel. Leave my hands off. That is pretty. That is pretty. Momo, genuine hand sweet letter. Sweet letter, sorry. Ugh, I can't even talk right now. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'll take some pictures and post up on my Instagram. If you guys follow me, you'll see. And it'll be all together with the kit and everything, because I got to bring it to him. So yeah, it's the steering wheel to move the car in the paint shop, because he doesn't have anything right now. Alright guys, so that's the Spoon Momo steering wheel. They're hard to find. I had to order that straight from Japan. That's with the NRG hub kit, and I'll put all the information down in there for you. So let me know if you have any questions.